What is this?
It's just toys.
That's right. It's a train set.
Trains.
The Thomas and Friends Minis train set. Do you want to open it?
Open it.
Let's see.
Toy box. Box.
Alright, we got it set up. So let's put our green train in there.
Here it goes.
Here it goes.
Here it comes. A little bit more.
A little bit more, that's right. Whoa! You gonna do it again?
Up the hill.
It's going up the hill. Whoa, that's super cool. Guess what? We got more trains.
More trains.
Let's see what's in that one. You hand me the package, I'll open it up. Who's in there? What you got?
I'll make it a red train.
You got a red train? Here is the red train we got. I think this is James. You can see he's got a shiny metal paint. Very cute. I can go up. Oh, and they both go. Almost there. Whoa! Whoops. I do that one. He's almost there. James almost there. Good job. You want to open another one?
That is fun.
Let's see who we got here. All right, who's in there? Thank you. Whoa, who's that? I think that's Bert.
Bird.
Yeah.
It's a train.
Yeah, let's see Bert. All right. Here's the train we got. He's, let's see, green and yellow. He's got the little green and yellow stripes, kind of like the caution signs on him. Very cool. All right. Let's go, Bert. Woo! Good job, Bert.
Good job, Bird.
All right. Here's one. My apologies if I get some of his names wrong. Hopefully. All right. Who's in there? Ooh, that's a bright green one. I think that's Toby.
Toffee.
Toby.
Toffee.
Let's see Toby. Let me see. Whoa. Whoa, this guy is brightly colored. He's got lime green wheels and ceiling here, and he's got orange and the number 7 on him. Very cute. Here goes. 3, 2, 1, go. Good job, James. All right, you want to see the other ones we got? All right, we got 2 more, okay? 2 more trains. All right, who's in there? Let's see who we get. Thank you.
Oh, I'm gonna get another one.
Oh, we got the one that looks like a mummy. It's Percy.
It's Percy.
That's right, it's Percy. Let's see him.
Percy train.
Percy train, that's right. This guy has got mummy looking white bandages all around him. And he's green under it. Very spooky.
Oh, what's the...
Last one. Who's in there?
Oh, we get a dice setting.
Oh, who's that one?
It's a dice train.
Oh, do we get a duplicate?
Okay.
It looks like another bird.
It goes wide.
You wanna go on the slide? You wanna make a really big train?
A big train.
Ready, set, go. Whoa. Alright, let's go down the green track. Alright, 2 more. There he is. Whoa! Alright, last one. Last one. Other way. Whoa! That was fun. Alright, you want to say bye-bye to everybody?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. That was fun.